Su-27 fighter shot down over Kiev. About a day ago it became known that the Su-27 fighter, without any identification marks, was shot down near Kyiv. As it became known, the combat aircraft was shot down, while the pilot managed to leave the combat vehicle. However, due to an unopened parachute, he died. The combat aircraft itself fell on a residential building, as a result of which a strong fire began. Damaged the downed aircraft beyond recognition. It was not possible to identify it. In the presented photos you can see the crash site of the Su-27 fighter. Taking into account the peculiarities of the fragments of the combat aircraft shot down over Kiev, we are talking about the Su-27 fighter. However, there are no signs and tactical numbers on the wreckage of the aircraft that allow us to confidently declare its ownership. Sources report that a missile hit the plane. However, it remains unknown whether it was an aircraft missile or an anti-aircraft guided missile. In turn, experts draw attention to the fact that the Ukrainian military does not control the air situation. In particular, it became known earlier that a Ukrainian S-300 shot down a Romanian MiG-21 fighter, and therefore the downed Su-27 may well belong to Ukrainian Air Force and be shot down by mistake.